These days, many adults are choosing tricycles over bicycles due to the balance, comfortability, practicality, and enjoyment they provide. We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down our list of the top 5 best adult tricycles. Number 5. Downhill Pick. Razer DXT Drift Trike. Unlike the other options on our list, this tricycle is built for edge-of-your-seat downhill drifting action. Its features include a 2-piece welded steel frame and 792mm wide rear axle, Moto-style handlebars, Pro-style soft rubber grip, a Moto-style double alloy clamp, and a triple crown Moto-style fork, with a sealed bearing headset. It also has an alloy crank, a front alloy V-brake, a front-wheel pneumatic aluminum rim with internal freewheel. It also features 10-inch kart-style rear wheels with a wide surface, speed bearings, and chrome hubcaps, followed by an adjustable bucket seat and a tow hook attachment. While it may not be made for commuting or transportation like a typical adult tricycle, the Razer DXT is all about downhill fun and giving riders a unique and exciting experience. Number 4. Folding Pick. Mantis Tri-Rad Adult Unisex Folding Tricycle. This tricycle showcases a unique design with its foldable frame. The Mantis Tri-Rad can be easily folded in half with a twist and pull of the quick-release lever. This is great because it makes transport and storage easier. The handlebars are also collapsible. The Tri-Rad folding trike also features a low-cut frame that makes mounting and dismounting easy, and the wide spring seat makes riding more comfortable as well. Its wheels and tires are designed with an aluminum rim. The drivetrain comprises a single-speed, one-piece crank and a 24-inch Model 6-speed Shimano headset. There is a front V-brake and a parking brake. It also has a wide, comfortable seat. Some other features include front fenders, a cargo basket, parking brake, a bell, and a chain guard. This adult tricycle is also very suitable for senior citizens as it is a lightweight supported trike. People who need to attach a bike leash for their dogs might also find it appealing. Number 3. Recumbent Pick. Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle for Men and Women. This comfortable and adjustable version of the popular Mobo 3-wheel cruiser trike has an extendable frame with 10 slots to welcome riders anywhere from 4 feet to 6 foot 3 inches in height. It features innovative steering as well. The unique rear wheel setup can increase arm and muscle strength and provide quick, enjoyable, and comfortable rides. It also has an ergonomic recumbent seat which provides evenly cushioned back support, accompanied by a stainless chassis. This makes the ride more fun and enjoyable overall. Made with steel, it has caliper handbrakes and 16-inch rear wheels made with rubber tires. This 3-wheel bike is suitable for women, men, teens, and kids from age 10 and above. Number 2. Electric Pick. Addmotor Moton Electric Trike Adult Tricycle. The Addmotor Moton Trike can not only travel over 45 miles on a single charge when using level 1 pedal assist. Its powerful motor and high-capacity lithium battery allow it to reach speeds up to 22 miles per hour. Sporting numerous features including dual rear brake rotors, a foldable handlebar stem, integrated lights, a 5-inch LCD display, and a rear cargo basket with storage bag, this tricycle impresses on many levels. While these features help it stand out, perhaps most importantly, the electric capability dramatically cuts down the amount of effort required when riding a standard tricycle. Therefore, it is very efficient for elderly citizens and people with disabilities. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Overall Pick. Schwinn Meridian Adult Trike 3-wheel cruiser bike. The Schwinn Meridian is a stylish and functional adult bike that stands out with quality construction and some great features. Available in multiple colors and speeds including 1, 3, 7, and an electric option, there is a trike for all types of riders. A wide wheel position provides extra balance and space for its large cargo basket, perfect for getting groceries, transporting goods, or even a picnic. With 26-inch wheels, a step-through aluminum frame, and an extra-large cushioned saddle, the Meridian provides a very enjoyable riding experience for both men and women. Not only attractive and sturdy, but also versatile, the Schwinn Meridian is a wonderful adult tricycle overall. Finding the right adult tricycle can be confusing, which is why we are only interested in the best options for your needs. Whether you ride for transportation or pure pleasure, one of these tricycles is sure to make your next ride more enjoyable. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.